Alright, here at Circle K, 7th Ave and the 101. Had to go to Sun's Automotive to grab the key for this shitter. But we are here now. He goes, I parked it in a great spot for you. I'm like, yeah, you would have if the wall wasn't here. And it was back farther, but all good. Greg at Sun's Automotive wants it backed into his shop because it doesn't run, so it's worked out. Get our pictures and then we'll see if it'll roll up to the bed. If not, go from there. Let's see. Oh man. Big blue. Big blue. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, this fucking guy. Of course you want to leave just now. Probably been sitting there for 40 minutes and then as soon as I pull up he's got to be in the way. Alright, let's get the plate. BPG 9374 AZ. Didn't even lock it, but he had to bring the keys somewhere. 674 03 Dodge Ram 1500. All right, let's see if this will roll. No neutral override. I mean lockout, or whatever it's called, shift lockout. It's got 300,000 miles on it. Dang. Come on. It's stuck in a rut. There we go. There we go. There's the bed. Why is it rolling backwards? That window switch does not feel like it works. That one does though. Okay. What the f... Ay. I know it's got 300,000 miles on it, but come on, man. It's doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Get rid of it. I don't know. I applaud people that keep cars like this on the road. It's not something a lot of people do. Most people don't have the stomach for it. So, props to you. Not for me though. Not something like this anyway. Come on. Why? What the f... Why is this not cooperating? It keeps wanting to twist into itself for some reason. Alright, let's pull the winch out and then we'll hook that up and just slide it under the truck. Alright. Put that way. This way. Slide. Not so electric slide. Okay. Let's see. Transmission looks like it's new. Alright. My hat keeps falling off because I have too much hair. Ugh. This hat is like not super deep, if that makes sense. It's not like a 5150 or 5950, whatever those hats are called, that are like sits really low to your ears. So that's why it always falls off. All right. Worried about the front lip, but we are good. Oop. Glad this was an easy pickup because it's only going a mile. If you look on the map, Sun's Automotive is literally a mile that way. Steering wheel locked. Come on. I would have never guessed that the steering wheel lock still worked on this thing, considering the shift lock didn't. But it's good that it does. Don't know if people steal these, but if they do, hopefully that'll make it harder for them to get this one. Good to go. Oh man. Park. Key off. One chain on the rear and 2 baskets in the front. Standard truck tie down. Oh, really? Today is President's Day, I think. It's like a holiday, but not really. That's not what we should hook to. There really isn't any other frame holes, except this one way up here. Come on. We're only going a mile, it'll be fine. As long as it holds it from going forward. All right. Looks like it used to be 4-wheel drive, and he took out the, probably when the transmission went out, because it's got a new transmission in it. He probably realized the 2-wheel drive one was cheaper. Or you could sell the T-case if the T-case wasn't bad. But I'm guessing this truck was converted to 2-wheel drive because of the hubs, unless they just got hubs, unless they all just share the same hubs. I don't know. Who the fucking... Oh, sorry, I cussed. I'm trying to stop cussing. I'm sorry. My bad, my bad. But, yeah, unless they all just have the same hubs. Off-road, the wheels say. Sure, bud. The alignment's pretty up. Yeah, alignment's pretty cooked because the other tire has significantly more wear on the inside than this one, unless it's just 2 different tires. Replaced it 2 different times, but I'm going to assume that's not the case. See, you can see it. Super worn right there. Oh my gosh. It's like, yeah, smooth. It's got bad something in the front end. It's not good. Either a worn bushing or a ball joint or alignment. Something or other. Not for me to figure out, just for me to observe and report. And I don't even have to do that. I just do it because I'm, you know, out of the kindness of my heart. So otherwise, they'll be calling me again for a flat tire here in a couple of weeks. Alright, I need to wash my truck. It rained and I've been to California and back. Alright, we will pick up in a mile. Alright. May have started the clip a touch early because there's a bunch of speed bumps back here to get into Sun's Automotive. But we will figure it out. And of course, there's someone blocking the way that would have been easier for me to go. They were not here 20 minutes ago when I picked the keys up. But now they are here using dumpster I'm sure they're not supposed to be using. So we gotta go around the dumpster and back it right into here. I don't know how he expects me to do that with this Equinox in the way. Let's go see if he can move that. Let's go find out. Because if not, he is not getting this in the bay.
Yeah. But you see what I mean? That would work for about 80,000 miles, and then it's just a piece of crap. So
Yeah.
I already know. They just need to.
Thanks, we'll be in touch.
All right, let's. You got it. Let's.
Let's say, is there any way you can move that Equinox?
No, it doesn't run. So is there any way you just kind of maybe come in this way? Because I'm all about putting it just in that spot.
Yeah.
I don't care about that. You think, but that one doesn't run. It's got a dead engine.
Okay.
The next one, I can move that van. I guess that might give you a shot.
Yeah, that'd be better because then you get it in that corner.
All right,
Yeah.
let me go. Let me just.
I'm just trying to put it in the best spot for you.
However, just.
All right. Equinox with a dead engine. It's something we've heard a lot. FRS on, looks like T7Rs. I could be wrong. Can't really see them. No, there's something else. All right, let's roll the windows down so we can hear if anybody yells. Not super keen about backing between cars to get into a bay, but we'll do what we can for them. Let's not hit the dead Equinox, obviously. Go kind of wide, close to the Equinox. Now, can get it pretty much there. We'll have to push it some, that's all right. All right. Oh man. Gotta turn it kind of early coming off the bed, that way we don't have to get too close to the wall for them. All right. If for whatever reason. The ones that go 1 mile are usually most annoying to pull up the bed. This one was easy. It's like, oh, I got something with the ball joint hanging off of it. It's gonna go 2 miles back to my house. What? But yeah, I don't know, it's fine. I'm just complaining about nothing. Oh man. Let it down so we can get the chain. Maybe not. Come on. Alright. Move this preemptively because we're going to need to go right over that area with the wheel. Man. See if that's enough for now. Go a little more. Alright, steering feels super tight. It's probably because he's rebuilt half this truck, if not most of it. It's good though. Keep him on the road. Let's make sure we're not going to hit that wall over there. It's a Dodge, I doubt it. Yeah. Just kidding. Let's make sure we still got room. That we do. Alright, I think we can straighten it out now. No. Go a little more. Trying to get the bed kind of pointed at it more so. Go a little more now. Man. Just a touch. Just a dab will do ya. By the time it gets off the bed, we'll be pointed right where we need to be. Love that. Get some help from the boys, and we'll push it all the way back for them. All right. Unhook. Oh man. Ooh. All right. Ready? Okay. So I tried to line it up with the lift the best I could, but you're probably gonna need to steer it a little bit.
That'll be all right. We get it in the door. Once we're over this hump, we'll go.
Watch yourself. It's kind of slippery. There's oil in the bed. All right. Oh yeah, she loves it.
Alrighty, that should be all right. Very good.
All right. Say someone want to jam it in park real quick.
Roll back.
Right. Keys are in it also, obviously. All right. Does it sound like it has compression to you?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah?
It doesn't, it's not offbeat.
All right. Sounded kind of light. Yeah. It's got 300,000 miles on it, I thought I saw.
Oh yeah, this is garbage.
Yeah. The trans looks like it's newer though, I saw when I was under there.
Yeah, I just replaced the trans, I don't know, a few days ago.
Oh, no way. Yeah. Gotta love it. I didn't realize they just did that. Bummer kinds. Pinche Dodge. No good. Oh, sorry, I guess I cussed in Spanish. My bad. Put this away. Turn the PTO off and get paid from Sir Greg. Alright. Call it a call. Alright. Waiting to turn into Pinnacle Nissan. So apparently there is a Nissan Kicks that got in an accident here. It needs to be moved. Where to? Van Chevrolet, about a mile away. We love it. It's my second 1 mile tow for the day. So let's go see what we can see. Do they have a service advisor on here? Of course not. Gotta love it. Just gotta. Oh, guess I should put myself on location, huh? Or on scene. Oh, let's go see. What's going on, guys?
What's going on, man?
Picking up a Kicks. I guess I got in an accident.
Yes, it is.
That blue one over there?
The blue one.
Perfect.
I think Dan's got keys for it. I don't know where he has them.
Okay.
Here, this is Dan right here if you want to ask him about it. But yeah, it's that blue one right there.
Okay. How you doing, sir?
Good.
Picking up the blue Kicks.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Do we know if it runs and drives at all?
I don't know.
Okay, I'll give it a shot, no worries.
It probably does.
All right, thank you. It's a newer Nissan, so it could be brand new and not fucking run. Sorry, I keep cussing. Just not having a great time today. Sorry about it. Is it this one? Let's double check. Guessing so, since this is the one. Yeah, she made it sound like it was totaled when I talked to her. It's funny. Okay. This is in fact the one. So we're gonna put that over there. This over here. Get some pictures. Ay, ay, ay. Why? I don't know. People just do funny things when they don't know what they're doing, I suppose. Hey Siri, pause. Alright, let's get one more up close picture of the damage. The tag is in the wrong place on the plate. Love it. Can already kind of assume what's going on with this car, what happened with this car. But I will keep my comments to myself. CMZ 0679. Alright. Let's get it out of here. Hopefully it runs. Oh, it still smells like a brand new car. Where's the button? Yeah, let's. Yeah. People are funny. I asked the customer if it ran and drove under its own power at least a little bit to get out to the truck. She said, I don't know, the accident was pretty bad. Okay. not complaining, because obviously it does run and drive, so it's good, but I don't know, it's fine. I know I'm a big crybaby about things not running and driving and having to winch them up or whatever, but would you not have your job be easier if it could be? Yes, you would. Why wouldn't you? Get it up here and get one side tied down and get it over to Van Chevy. Exactly 0.9 miles away. Nope, don't do that. I was gonna say we don't even have to go onto the major street to get it over there, but we do in fact, because it's on North Side, or it's off of North Side rather. It's not in the other like dealership kind of row here on Front. Anybody really bought these things. Never see them on the road, or at least I don't pay attention to them. This is a 22 supposedly, but it's got tires from 21 on it. Oh, 49th week. Okay, that makes sense. Just gonna say that checks out. Moving quite a bit. Good old Nissan CVTs. I know the fact of it being a CVT has nothing to do with the park gear, but or the parking paw, whatever. I don't care. Who cares? Nobody. Keep complaining about my job. That's what I'm gonna do. This guy should be doing something else. He complains too much. Tell me you've never had a customer service job without telling me. Alright, that'll do. Alright, 0.9 miles later, we are here at Van's Van's Collision Center. Alright, it says to check in the office before you drop. This lady that was blocking the entrance is coming back into the parking lot now. Hopefully she didn't hear me say whatever I said. I don't remember what I said now. She was like in the middle of the driveway though, and I couldn't turn in. Had to jump the curb. Let's see. Hello. Towing in a Nissan Kicks. It runs and drives. I just wasn't sure where to put it. Let me just find a spot back there and I'll bring the key back up to you.
If it runs and drives,
It does.
I think that's hers right there.
Oh, okay.
If you want to put it in a parking spot, I don't know if she needs to get stuff out or not.
Just a parking spot right here?
If it does run and
Yeah,
drive.
it does run and drive. I drove it up to bed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You're waiting for a Kicks, right?
That was my car.
Oh, okay, cool.
So I'm gonna have them just put it in a parking spot. Do you need to get stuff out of it or no?
Let me look. Because,
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get it down and then I'll just bring it over here for you.
Perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that was
She's got 2 of these things. That's actually crazy. I don't know why you would do that to yourself. Oh, it's a Nissan Rogue. Same thing. Same, but different. That's... Alright, whatever. Doesn't matter to me. Oh, man. I just got off the phone with her, too, because I had to get payment. So it makes it even funnier. We're still just gonna drop right here because I'm out of the way over here. Oh yeah, I forgot I put that third strap on the other side. These new electric Hummers, like, I waffle on them because some of them look great in different colors and then some just look super dumb. But I wouldn't have one either way because it's an EV, but still, you know, can appreciate the designer's choice on the exterior, I suppose. Excuse me. Damn. NC is very nice. I don't know why it's in the enterprise parking. Can you rent that? I would love to rent that. If I was going somewhere and needed a car for that, but... So I don't know about you guys, but I get a rental every time I go anywhere, like, out of town, because I'm not putting those miles on my cars. Well, what's the point of a car if you don't drive it? Listen. I do drive them. I'm just not putting 600 miles, 700 miles if I'm going to California, plus whatever we do out there. So call it 1,000 miles by the time I get back. When there's no reason to. Save a couple bucks. What do you do? Rather save the mileage. This thing's leaking something, I think. Can't tell what, but maybe that's not from this car. I don't know. Did tow a Dodge earlier today, which will probably be the previous clip you saw, but shall see. Let's make sure this isn't going to hit whatever car we parked this next to. It might actually, so gotta be careful. Alright. Let's get this thing out of here. Dang.
Toronto Pearson Airport
Nope.
is confirming an incident.
I said nope. Because if the reverse camera's on, you can't turn the radio off. That's crazy.
Passengers and crew are accounted
Hello?
for online social media.
Hello? Hmm. What are you doing? She walked behind me as I'm backing up. Move that one over there. Sorry, guys. Trying to figure out what I'm doing. All right, just trying to find a spot wide enough for the. All right. Sorry, I was trying to find a spot wide enough so I didn't hit anything with that.
All right, so
Do you want me to take the keys in, or do you want to take them in?
Yeah, give them the keys.
Okay. And you're all set? Oh, careful. All right. Say again. I don't know what that was, but it sounded like dog ass. Just run these inside real quick. Hey, look, it's me. All right. She wanted me to bring the key back into you.
Yes, that'd be great.
All right. It's parked on in the far corner because there's something sticking out, like for the trim. So I wanted to get it away from everything.
Perfect.
All right.
And then, let's see, I think we have everything else. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. This smells like a doctor's office. Where's this Bronco going? Okay. Just make sure I wasn't gonna get ran over. Where's the Acura going? That way. All right, let's get out of here. Our 0.9 mile journey is over. Hey. Yeah, for anybody watching, if you get in an accident in a newer car and it's still under warranty, just because it's under warranty doesn't mean they cover your driving incidents, we'll call them, because who knows if they're accidents. Take it to a body shop. Off rip. Don't take it to the dealer and then have them take it to the thing. That's what this lady just paid for. Excuse me. Just so you know. Save yourself a little bit of money. See you on the next one.